Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to K-swap a Honda Fit. First, thoroughly research which K-series engine best suits your goals, considering power output and available space. You'll need a complete engine, transmission, and all supporting accessories. Ensure you have an engine hoist, quality jack stands, and a comprehensive tool set ready. Proper planning saves significant time and effort during this complex modification. With your planning complete, it's time to prepare the fit. Begin by safely disconnecting the battery and draining all fluids, including oil and coolant. Carefully remove the original engine and transmission, along with their mounts and any interfering components. Take this opportunity to thoroughly clean the engine bay, ensuring it's free of debris and ready for the K-series powerhouse. Now for the exciting part, installing the K-series engine. Mount the new engine and transmission securely using K-swap specific mounts. Carefully integrate the K-series wiring harness, ensuring all connections are correct and secure. Install the upgraded fuel system, connect cooling lines, and attach the exhaust manifold. Double-check every connection before proceeding to the next steps. Before the first start, refill all fluids including engine oil, coolant, and transmission fluid. Perform a thorough system check, ensuring all hoses, wires, and bolts are properly secured. Start the engine and carefully monitor for any leaks, unusual noises, or warning lights. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals to keep you going during your projects. Finally, enjoy your K-swapped Honda Fit.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.